Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page with a blessing to you. Your word of the day is courage. Courage. I need you to be bold, be yourself, be able to step outside and be the original you. You came in this world by yourself. You're going to leave by yourself. There's no one with the same fingerprint. No one with the same intelligence. No one with the same drive. No one with the same imagination. No one with the same purpose. You want to find your purpose? Fall in love with your service. And when you find your service, have the courage to follow through, because everyone's going to say, that's different. That's never been done. Are they crazy? No, because when the results come in and you're helping them, they're going to be calling you the Socrates, the Einstein, the people that they thought were out of their mind, the Walt Disneys, but they provide a service that always will be remembered on this earth. And now we praise them. I'm stronger than fear, because fear fears you. Once you look it in the eye, I guarantee it cowers and runs the other way, and you're on your way to prosperity, baby. And I'm bigger than any doubt. Why doubt yourself when you know you always win? You are guaranteed to win. You never lose your intuition, your balance, understanding mind, body, spirit, how the world works, how the universe works. There's no way that you can lose. So why have doubt? I am light and I remain light. I trust in God and stand tall before the test of life, and I grow and become wiser through every challenge, wiser and stronger. Therefore, like positive blessings, just like negative energy carries their own weight. The stronger that you are, the more weight that you can carry. So make sure you continue to put in the work and grow, so the bigger blessings can come your way. You may be ready for a studio apartment now, but you're being built for this next season to have a mansion, the beachfront mansion house, 100 acres. So you know how to take care of it. You know how to tend it. Therefore, have the courage to continue to move forward, be original, and be the being of new life. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself. I love you too.